Dapitan is not just a footnote in history. It's a city brimming with charm, from its beautiful coastlines and heritage houses to the warm hospitality of its people. Surrounded by lush mountains and kissed by calm waves of the Sulu Sea, the Pitan offers a unique mix of old world allure and modern progress. The city's economy is supported by tourism, agriculture, fishing, and small scale industries, while its cultural landscape thrives through local festivals, arts, and traditions. Home to attractions such as the Rizal Shrine, the adventure packed Dakak Park and Beach Resort, and the vibrant Dapitan City Plaza, designed by Rizal himself. The city provides visitors a chance to walk through history while ensuring its natural and recreational offerings. Today, Dapitan continues to grow as a hub for educational excellence, historical tourism, and eco-adventure, making it not only a mass visit destination but also a source of pride for Mindanaoans and Filipinos alike. Dapitan City.